People often say that they don't have time to meditate, but we always find time to eat. And most of us find time to have a little treat from time to time. So, let's quickly do a chocolate meditation. If you don't have your treat ready, take a moment and get your treat, but don't put it in your mouth quite yet. Now here's what I want you to do. Whatever type of chocolate or treat that you have in front of you, first, hold it out in front of you, simply looking at it. Observe it, and start to feel the anticipation and the gratitude. Because this is a treat that's going to taste delightful. I hope it's your favorite. And notice two things. One, you're already imagining the taste of it. Your brain is doing it for you, just like it can do for everything in life. And two, your body is already responding. Your salivary glands are getting ready to taste it, to process it, to enjoy it. Your body and your mind are always working with you. Then, I want you to have a little gratitude. I don't know what treat you have in front of you, but chances are you didn't grow it and make it in your backyard. Chances are there were hundreds of people involved in growing the ingredients, processing the ingredients into different forms, then into different forms, then into different forms, and then transporting it to you. So stop for a moment and simply enjoy and have gratitude that you have this in front of you. Don't take it for granted. Now, I want you to take your treat and slowly, as if it's the majesty, as if you've been in a desert and haven't eaten or drank for a week, take the smallest, tiniest bite. But don't swallow. Just chew and experience and enjoy. See if you can taste all of the different ingredients. If you've got a single origin chocolate, see if you can taste the notes of the earth. See if you can feel it on your tongue. Does it have any ridges? Is it slowly melting? Is it quickly melting? Is it crunching? See if you can savor it. And about this time, maybe earlier, your brain wants you to swallow it. Feel that sensation. Feel that it wants it to go straight down to the processing unit. Right now, it's in the enjoyment unit. Enjoy every piece of it. Don't allow it to be taken away too early. Now, if it's already gone, or even if it's not, get a bit of a bigger bite. Take that bite and do the same thing. Don't allow yourself to be rushed. Enjoy it. Taste it. Imagine it. Use every possibility you have to enjoy this. Imagine where it came from. Give the gratitude. Have the kindness of doing something for yourself. Feel like this is a reward for a job well done or simply meditating. And then feel the real sensations. How does your tongue feel? How does your mouth feel? How do your lips feel? Feel all of those sensations. They're the joy, the meat and potatoes, the love of life is in these sensations that you get every day. So enjoy them. Experience them. And when your brain always tries to tell you to move too quickly, to swallow and move on, resist, 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 and enjoy. Now I'll leave you to the rest of your treat, but don't stop. Don't stop what you're doing. Enjoy it. Stay present. This is meditation. This is how you can meditate in everyday life. Stay present. Stay focused. Don't allow yourself to get distracted. Flow and be with the experience you're having right now. This is a good one.